guys, welcome to AvulKids. I am Nandini and I am back with more summer craft activities for you. Today we are going to learn how to make different types of bracelets. The first one is a bracelet made out of drinking straws, and the second one is a bracelet made out of popsicle sticks. For the first one we will need a few drinking straws, thick thread, scissors and glue. Let's begin. First, cut a few drinking straws into equal pieces. I have already cut a few pieces of straws. Now, take your thread and fold it in half. Now add some glue to the ends to harden them so they easily go inside the straws. Now tie a knot at the back end. Now take one straw piece and put one thread inside it like this. Put inside the other one too and pull the both ends. Keep on repeating this step for every piece. Leave some space for the lock of your bracelet, and when you reach the end, cut out a bigger piece from your straws. Then tie a knot at the end of your string like this. And then put this thread inside the straw and the other one too and pull. And now tie a knot at the end and cut off the extra string. Your bracelet is ready. Now to tie it on your wrist, put your wrist like this on the bracelet and hold it here, and then put this bigger straw piece inside the loop and pull it. Isn't that pretty? Now let us make the second one. For the second one we will need a lolly stick, scissors, a glass, decorative tapes and some sketch pens for decoration. First, boil the lolly stick for 30 minutes. When it is hot, immediately bend it into the glass like this. Then let them settle for 3 to 4 hours. After they have settled, take them out of the glass. You can use decorative tape to stick on them so they look pretty. Cut off the extra tape. It should look like this. I'm going to make another one with some decorative tape. If you want, you can also use sketch pens to decorate it. Aren't they pretty and easy to make? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. For more videos, subscribe to AvulKids. Friends, share and like our videos. You can upload your videos on avulkids.com.